Hey there everyone, welcome back to MyFitMed. Today we are diving into a topic that might surprise you, the connection between salt and your energy level. We are about to uncover how something as simple as salt could play a big role in keeping you energized throughout the day. So if you are tired of feeling drained or if you are curious about optimizing your energy level, stick around because this video is for you. So first thing first, let's talk about what salt actually does in your body. Salt or sodium chloride is an essential mineral that our bodies need to function properly. Sodium in particular plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve health, and muscle contractions. Without enough sodium, your cell cannot generate the electrical signal that helps your muscle move and your brain communicate with the rest of your body. But here is the thing, when you don't get enough salt, your body starts to struggle. You might feel sluggish, fatigued, or just plain out of it. That's because sodium helps regulate your blood volume and blood pressure, which are crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cell. No sodium, no energy. So how exactly does salt influence your energy level? Well, when you are low on sodium, your blood pressure can drop, leading to less blood flow to your organs and muscle. This can leave you feeling weak and tired. That's why athletes often turn to sports drink that contains electrolyte including sodium to replenish what they have lost through sweat. This electrolyte helps restore the balance and keep the energy flowing. But it's not just athletes who needs to watch their salt intake. If you are someone who tends to feel fatigued throughout the day, especially in the afternoon, your body might be telling you that it's in need for more sodium to maintain your energy level. Finding the right balance is the key. Now, before you go and start pouring salt on everything, it's important to remember that balance is a key. Too much salt can lead to high blood pressure and other health issues, while too little can leave you feeling drained. The trick is to find the right amount for your body. Most health experts recommend around 2300 milligram of sodium per day for adults. But if you are active, you might need a little bit more. And don't forget to listen to your body. So if you are feeling low or low on energy, it might be worth considering whether your sodium level are where they should be. All right, so how can you use this information to boost your energy? Here are a few quick tips. Number one, stay hydrated. Sodium works best when you are well hydrated, so make sure you are drinking enough water throughout the day. Number two, add pinch of pink Himalayan salt. If you are feeling particularly tired, especially after sweating a lot, try adding a pinch of salt to your water or food. It can give you a quick energy boost. Number three, opt for natural sources. Include naturally salty food like olives, pickle, and certain cheese in your diet to maintain your sodium level without going overboard. Number four, monitor your levels. If you are consistently low on energy, it might be worth talking to your doctor about getting your sodium level checked. It could be the key to unlocking better energy throughout your day. So that's a wrap up on today's video. Hope you find this video informative and helpful. If you are feeling tired or if you think that you are low on salt, make sure you optimize your electrolyte and salt level.